Hey everyone! So today we are doing a traveling ring pour. I have an 11 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be using a paper cup so I can pinch it, but I'm going to spray it first with my WD-40 silicone spray. I haven't done a total travel in a while, so we'll be overlapping and moving it around. So I'm going to start with some black. This is Creative Inspirations Lamp Black. All my paints in the bottles do have silicone in them. I use 1 drop for every 2 ounces. This is Soho Cat Orange Deep. Lucas Caramel. Lucas Van Dyke Brown. Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. Full Cart Orange Flash. Liquitex Red Oxide. DecoArt Worn Penny. It's a darker copper. And Soho Azo Red Deep. And I'm going to go ahead and do another round. So if you want to know how we mix our paints, I do have 2 links below. One is for the color mixes, and the other is for our base paint that we use for flip and drags and bottle bottom pours. Anything that you would use a base coat for. So I know I have enough paint. And I am going to end with black because I want black to be the first color out. Oops. That's alright. Okay, I'm going to move my mirror now that I don't need it for focusing. I'm just kind of putting it where I want that black and that orange to come out at. And we're definitely going to be tilting, so we will see a lot more going on. And I'll just fill up the canvas with what's left in the cup. That's pretty. Okay. Let me give it a quick torch, get the air bubbles out. I'm not sure how many cells we'll get. Alright. I just want to get it all moving together. I'm going to go ahead and hit that corner first. hands real quick and I can torch it. See if we get anything coming up through the red oxide there. If not, we will stretch it out and try to remove a little bit of it. Kind of liking it now that I see it separates the cell action we've got going on. Alright, just want to balance it just a little bit up here. And that brought that over just a little bit more. But this is really cool through here. I think that's all I'm going to do to it because I really like that spot. I love this spot here. And it's all going to, I'm sorry, it's all going to change. It took my breath away. Sorry. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Barrage Posse and also my Christina Welch Art page. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And if you're interested in my paintings, you can find those on Etsy. All those links are below. Our auction will be April 6th at 8 p.m. here on our YouTube channel. And we will be live so you can come in and bid on paintings. No pre-registration is needed. Buyer does pay shipping though. And if you are looking for resin and want to try the Stone Coat Art Coat resin, we have a code below. Use Posse at checkout and you'll get $10 off a $95 order. And our prints are also available on Redbubble. And you can get things made with our prints. So thank you all for watching. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.